My students, Samantha and her younger brother, Jake, were prepping for the school science fair. The pressure to perform well was high as they worked on their volcano project, but surprisingly, they were having a blast. This is eustress, Samantha explained to Jake. It's stress, but the good kind. That makes you excited, not scared. Jake nodded. He giggled as their volcano shook and rumbled. There was a quiet pause, and it erupted, spewing foam across their table. Their classmates clapped and laughed, enjoying the show. Samantha and Jake learned that working together brought success, and made challenging tasks fun and thrilling.